Hi, this is Dan Allard with Bilingua, and yes, that is my beautiful family and I down here at the bottom. Would you like to get a medical Spanish course for under $50? Click on the link in the description box and get it now. If you don't want the course, you can also click on the link to get a free medical checklist followed by a free video series. Get over 2 hours of comprehensible Spanish when you pre-order this course. This is Spanish you can use in the office with your Spanish-speaking patients. Also get a plethora of activities, checklists, videos, images, music, and much more. Don't waste your money on expensive programs or software that are irrelevant to the medical field and won't give you the phrases and the vocabulary that you need to effectively communicate with Spanish-speaking patients in your office. Get the Spanish you need in the office for you and your staff, and you'll finally get the medical Spanish phrases you need to effectively communicate. Your Spanish-speaking patients will greatly appreciate you. Start speaking Spanish fluently and finally understand it. Go ahead and click on the link below and pre-order now. Everyone who pre-orders gets a great deal. If you pre-order, you'll save over 50% on the course. The course is valued at over $149. But however, I'm offering, or not $149, but only $49. So don't wait. Get it right now at this price. Don't worry, I'll send you many bonuses to prep you before the course comes out, of course. I'll send you many bonuses. Get 2 free 3-part video series, get a free medical Spanish phrases checklist, and get access to all materials that are coming soon. So, go ahead and pre-order now and get the benefits. This offer is only available for a limited time, so go ahead, click on the link in the description box to pre-order. And again, I'm Dan Allard. Thank you very much for watching. If you don't want to pre-order the course yet, go ahead and grab my free video series and the free checklist. All that you need is an email, and I'll send it right to you. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye.